Inspiron 14 2-in-1. Processor 12th Gen Intel Core i7-12555U. Display 14 FHD plus 1920 by 1200, 60 Hz, touch. Graphics card Intel Iris Z graphics. Case Platinum Silver Touch LCD cover mod. Memory 16 GB, 2x8 GB, DDR4, 3200 MHz. Hard drive 512 GB, M2, PCIe NVMe, SSD. Operating system Windows 11 Home, English. Ports 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2x1 Type-C with power delivery and video 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A Port 1 headset, headphone and microphone combo, Port 1 HDMI 1.4 Port HDMI 1.4.